Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can make a new folder file using your Windows 10 or 11, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to make a new folder file using your Windows 10 or 11, it's actually very easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your File Explorer. And once you're on your File Explorer, next, I want you to go to the directory where you want to create your new folder. In my case, I will create my folder in the Documents directory. And now, to create your new folder here, you just simply need to right-click anywhere on the empty space of your File Explorer. And then a menu will appear. Just select New. And then click Folder. And after that, your folder will now be initialized to be created, so you can now enter the folder name that you want to finalize it. And then after that, there you go guys, you will now have your newly created folder just like that. And also, if you want to create the folder to your desktop home screen, the steps is just the same. You also just have to right-click anywhere on the empty space of your home screen. Then choose New, and then select Folder. And then there you go, your folder will now be created on your desktop home screen. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.